repair attempt at 2017 Linden Street, Bethlehem, PA. Just from looking at it, these two are damaged here and are loose already. So these are the ones that have granular loss and cracked and broken from the wind. So I'm going to simulate a repair here and pull this one out. Shingles are in pretty rough condition here too. You got a lot of granular loss, very, very brittle and old. And those seals pop right up. That one there just broke right here from me hitting the tool itself to get the nail out to pop it. I just felt this one cracking. You can see it right here, and I haven't even touched anything, but you can see it cracked already just from the impact of moving it around. Did the same thing right there. Cracked it in. See, that's really bad. Right here's the crack. Linden Street to be sent away for identification. underlayment showing that these were leaking for a little while, I believe, underneath. So this is all saturated here. So you can see there's cracks all in here, pretty much on every single. If you look at the 3 under here, it's really bad. But big debris. Bit different in size here. I'm not sure if it was because it was laid that way or, but got a slight little bit of an overhang on this side. Just a hair. About a 1/4 inch off of that so that it'll slide in and fit. We were noticing a lot on this roof, there's a lot of stuff that doesn't really line up all that well. And I think it's because the shingles are deteriorating and starting to slide out from their spots. There's the tricky part too, trying to get these in without too much pressure. That one got my fingers real good. That was already broken, but with me just putting those nails in, there's a new break right in here, and even with the wind blowing right now, you can see some of the granulars are all moving. So if I would simulate wind, there's a whole lot of granular loss that just happened. Big old crack all along the back, right in here, same thing in here, and that was just from me putting the nails in. Again, this crack was here earlier, but just from me lifting that to a 45-degree angle, you can see how brittle they are, and there's tons of granular loss to where they're basically falling apart. on there. You can really see it on these front ones here, how they broke and they cracked. Lots of granular loss here. And this one, same thing in the back. Got a huge crack all the way. And I don't want to wipe it or anything. If I would wipe it, you would see a bunch of these granulars in the chalk that's now in the crevices. But all the way across, shingles are very, very brittle.